Hey guys, Steph here from Ford Bronco, and in today's video I'm going to be installing this muffler delete kit by RoughCountry. The reason I'm going with this one, it's $130. I have a 4-cylinder 2.3. I don't think it's going to sound amazing whatever I put on it, so I figure I might as well try with the least expensive option. Reason I'm putting this on, I have a manual, I have 37s on, can't hear my engine at all, it's too quiet, so I just want to give it some more noise. I don't know, just to get the feel while you're shifting. I like to be able to hear my engine at least a little bit. So hopefully this gives it some grumble. It should, because we're taking the muffler off, but not too much that it will piss off all my neighbors. Let's find out. All right, since I do have a 5-inch lift, it is a challenge to get into my small garage. I actually have to pull the door manually and kind of shove it up as far high as I can. At her. It's not very complicated. They have the pipe they give you a new exhaust bracket. There's a bag of hardware with a new muffler hanger. So first thing I'm going to do is take the muffler clamp off using a 17mm socket. I just picked up a new Milwaukee 3/8 ratchet, electric ratchet, so I'm going to use that for the first time today. That is not 17mm. Closer to 16mm. It's all rusty, so. That clamps in there pretty tight. I think I'm going to get the impact out for that one. Next is to take the muffler bushing off. I got both hangers off, but now the muffler pipe where the clamp goes is seized right here. So I did spray it with some WD-40, and now I'm just gonna try to gently convince it to let go with a hammer. It's fine. That wasn't too bad. Only broke one tool. What's next? Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so it says to put this on the rear cross member right there. Okay, so for the hanger, they say to put it on the rear cross member. They don't really say where, but by looking at the pictures, I kind of figured out it would be right here, these two holes, because there's like an elongated hole in the picture. I have a wire that actually goes in there, but it's gonna go like this because the exhaust pipe will come here. So I'm just gonna install this now. There. Washer, lock washer, and nut. Washer, lock washer, and nut. There we go. Next, I'm going to put the muffler hanger on this first because it's very tight, but it's loose on the other one. But it doesn't really matter because once I tighten the clamp down, it shouldn't move. There, that's in. Man, look at the clearance. There, that's in there. All right, let's go start her up. I really like it. I don't find it's too loud, and it's actually got a lot deeper tones than I would have thought for a 2.3 four-cylinder turbo. I mean, it's no Mustang, that's for sure, but to me, just being able to hear the sound a little bit, I don't know, I like it. I'm gonna go for a little drive and see what it sounds like on the road, but first I'm gonna pick up my tools. All right, so I'm sitting inside editing this exhaust video, and I'm kicking myself for not taking like a sound clip of exhaust sounded stock and then what it sounded like after, and then it just kind of occurred to me, oh, I have another Bronco with a 2.3, so I can actually do a side-by-side comparison. So let's do that right now. All right, so I'll start with the stock exhaust and we'll see what that sounds like. All right, so I'm just gonna go take it for a little spin around the block, really, just to hear what it's gonna sound like when I'm driving. First, second. Third. I like it so far. I can just hear a little grumble that it's not really gonna bother anybody if I'm just driving normal. It's not excessive, but you know what? At least I hear it, and I can feel the grumble, which is what I wanted, because before it was so silent, you couldn't hear anything. Something's vibrating back there, driving me nuts. Here we go. I'm really happy with it for 130 bucks. I mean, come on, you know, what do you get for 130 bucks nowadays? And it really wasn't that hard to install. Highly recommended. For the 2.3, it sounds pretty good. I imagine the 2.7 sounds even better. The same kit fits both engines, and it gives a lot of clearance in the back. Why not? 130 bucks. You can kind of hear and feel the grumble, especially if you have a manual. If you want to support the channel, I have a link in the description to all RoughCountry Bronco products, so make sure you click on that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys next time.